tesseract. Or your brother's head.
Kill away. All right, stop!
We don't have the tesseract. It was destroyed on Asgard. Really are the worst, brother.
I assure you, brother, the sun will shine on us again.